Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the essentials: audience, runtime, and aspect ratio, so every choice supports the goal. Next, record a short, focused screen capture of your core flow. This is the main proof point. Once done, capture 2 clean shots of the UI and 1 close-up of the signature interaction. Use a stable microphone and 48K HZ audio. This prevents rework later. These first steps get you honest footage you can edit into a persuasive narrative. You now shape the footage into a tight story that shows value quickly. First, assemble the hook, a bold problem statement and a 2-3 second interaction. Then, sequence feature demos with clean zooms and 0:5:1, 5-second cuts to maintain energy. Make sure to overlay concise captions and complement them with rhythmic background music under the voice. This boosts comprehension. Finally, balance levels and remove filler so viewers see the product's benefit in under a minute. You finish by exporting clean masters and platform-specific variants, horizontal 1080ph, 264, and a vertical crop if you need social placements. Then, test on several devices to confirm audio sync, caption legibility, and visual contrast. Adjust levels or font sizes as needed. If a clip glitches or stutters, don't chase complex fixes. Recreate that short capture with the same steps and replace it. This often solves timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.